Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
Like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit up the notification button so you can get notified when we post more videos like these. Did you know this? Your 1955 calendar is reusable in 2022. Much love to you all. Update. Check this 1955 story. Did you know this? According to CaribbeanElections.com, January 12, 1955, the third general parliamentary elections were held in Jamaica. In the House of Representatives there were 32 seats. All 32 members of the House of Representatives are elected in single-member constituencies by votes. A total of 86 candidates contested the election. The People's National Party (PNP) presented a full slate of 32 candidates, while the Jamaica Labour Party (JLP) presented 31 candidates. Did you know this? There were also 4 intended candidates: Farmers Party (FP), National Labour Party (NLP), People's Freedom Movement (PFM), Republican Party of Jamaica (RPJ), Independent candidates (IND), and 19 candidates from minor parties. Did you know this? The People's National Party (PNP) won for the first time, with a poll of 50.5% of the vote and a total of 18 of 32 seats compared to the Jamaica Labour Party (JLP's) 39.1% of the vote and 14 seats. Norman Manley was the second person to become Chief Minister. Jamaica general election January 12, 1955 polling day results. Did you know all that? Well, if you didn't know, now you know.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.